Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G11 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Start by opening Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Now choose Advanced over here, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like Location. Then pick one of your apps, like Maps, and select one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time, so when I go back and swipe up, as you can see Maps, just gained access to this device's location. But you can always pick any feature and any app and then click on See All Chrome permissions instead. Now you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!